make one camera.
Nothing there.
And it was a ghost of something.
No, I don't know if there's a ghost.
Because it would be more scary.
And this wasn't here. It was always here. Do homeschools.
Okay.
I think.
Mariana could sleep with me.
Okay. I think I should go sleep again.
What was that? Yeah, maybe it was a ghost. Open the lights. Why your necklace was glowing?
I don't know.
What was?
Why is this jacket here?
What kind? A creeper?
Yeah, some shoes.
I don't know.
That's weird.
And maybe it's what green rock was black and somebody sell us.
Probably that's why we heard to open the doors. Let's just go to sleep. And I hope this goes again. Okay.
Open the light! What was that? Open the light! What was that?
Wait,
Oh my
the
God.
jacket was right there. Huh? Ready to open it?
Yeah.
No! You! I thought you went to summer school.
Oh no.
So you were just lying to us the whole time.